I will show you how to get the best CO2 of your life. Ready to geek out with some lab magic? Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need a flask, some hydrochloric acid, and a lump of marble, also known as calcium carbonate. Got everything? Great. Next, carefully pour the hydrochloric acid into the flask. Remember, safety first. Wear those goggles and gloves. Now gently drop the marble into the flask. Watch closely. As the marble reacts with the acid, you'll see bubbles forming. That's your carbon dioxide gas. For a fun twist, capture the gas by placing a balloon over the flask's mouth. See it inflate? Science in action. Remember, CO2 is heavier than air, so it stays low. Avoid breathing it in directly. And there you have it. You've just made carbon dioxide gas in the lab. Pretty cool, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome experiments. Stay curious and keep experimenting.